Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your LLC and your EIN number in Missouri. And I'm going to make this process super fast and easy. So click the link in the description below. I'm going to be showing you on my screen at the same time you follow along on yours. And I'm going to be telling you exactly what to type in and click for every single question. So there's going to be no guessing. It's really straightforward. And I'm also going to show you what options you can select to make it a little bit cheaper for yourself. So again, click the link in the description below and let's get right into it. So this is the Taylor Brands website, and I like doing my LLCs through here because they just make it super easy. And we're going to start by typing Missouri. And now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure that it's available. So I do eyelash extensions. And yes, it's available. And then what stage are you currently in? And what industry do you fall into? You can see they have like thousands of options, kind of like what category or what category would you consider your job to be? So for me, it's eyelash extensions. And then are you selling either a good, a service, or both? And if you're planning to hire employees, if you're not sure, it's not a big deal. Same thing here. It's just a survey question if you have a financial goal in mind. And now you're going to use your zip code. If you have a storefront or shop, I recommend to use that zip code. And if you don't, you can use your home zip code as long as it's in Missouri. Okay. And are you serving customers online, at a shop or store, or on the go? So select all that apply here. And today I want you to click LLC and EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, and you're also going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So at some point within your first year of business, you will more than likely need to have an EIN number. And this page right here is why I love using Taylor Brands, because you could see it's kind of like a one-stop shop for everything business related. I don't have to go searching the internet for all this stuff, trying to figure things out. It's all right here. So maybe you need like a logo designed or a website created. They can even help you with your taxes and your accounting. So that's a major plus right there. So check out whatever else you might need. But today we're just going to click these two. And this is a survey we could skip. Okay, we found Taylor Brands through YouTube. And this is just a free 12-week business coaching program that Taylor Brands is offering to you. It's completely free. There's no catch to it. You can kind of like log in and out. There's no time frame. So maybe you want to check it out and then you leave for a month and then you want to check it out again later. You can do whatever you want. I like to take it because, like, why not? Maybe I can learn something new. That's cool. If you want to skip it, just hit no thanks. And now you're going to type in your personal information. And then create a password. Okay, and they're asking again, do you want Taylor Brands to help you get your EIN number? So if you want to save some money, you can do it through the IRS website. In my personal opinion, I feel like government websites are really outdated, difficult to navigate, and just kind of all around stressful. So for $99, Taylor Brands will do that whole process for me. For me, it's worth the headache. So I'll have them do it for me. And as far as assigning a registered agent, now, a registered agent is basically a fancy term for who's going to receive the mail from your business. So if you live in Missouri and you have your business in Missouri, you will be your own registered agent. Now, this might not apply if you live in some other state and you're opening an LLC in Missouri for like tax benefits, then you would need to appoint someone in the state to receive your mail, and Taylor Brands can do that for you. But for most of you guys, like I said, you live there, you have your business there, you will be your own registered agent. Click this second option. Yes, we're sure. Okay, and every single year you have to renew your LLC. This is no matter what state you live in. So if you forget to renew it, you're going to be hit with a bunch of late fees and fines, which we obviously want to avoid that. So if you think you might forget, you have a lot going on, totally understandable. Taylor Brands can renew it for you automatically. It's $199 a year, which is a little pricey, but it's still cheaper than what you'd pay if you got hit with the late fees and fines. If you want to save some money, click this option here. Just make sure you keep a note to renew it every year. Okay, we're going to hit no on the branding toolkit. And let's get our LLC in just 2 days from now. It's $49. If you don't want to pay that, you can get it in 2 weeks, which is still pretty fast. Okay, if you have partners, like multiple people own the business, you will want an operating agreement. It kind of breaks down the roles, the responsibilities, and the ownership of all parties involved. If you're just working by yourself, there's no one else owning it, you can click this option here. You do not need an operating agreement. And I told you guys I'd save you some money, so we don't need this formation kit, but honestly, it's kind of worth it. If you want to be really organized from the beginning, they just have all of like your financial paperwork, your planners, everything you need in one binder. So feel free to check it out if you want. And yes, let's get notified about our LLC. Okay, and Taylor Brands has like a couple different plans. They're $200 or $250 a year, but they do have a lot of stuff. Like they help you with bookkeeping, they give you a website. They have all this stuff in here that's kind of worth it. But today, we're not going to pay any of that. I told you I'd make it as cheap as possible. So let's select this light plan here for no money. And here's the breakdown of what we're paying for today. So the Missouri state filing fee for an LLC is $51. That's just the mandated state filing fee. We're also getting that free business coaching program, and we're paying for that 2-day filing fee. If you don't want that, you can just unclick it. And here's our grand total for today. After you get charged with your $100, within about a week or so, you'll be hit with that $99 EIN charge. Don't be surprised when you see that come through. It is correct. It's just the second part of the process. All right. And then when you go through to pay, after you enter your credit card information, they're going to ask you what address you want to use. If you do not have a storefront or shop, you can use your home address. That's what I've always used. And I've never had issues with like junk mail or spam. But if you're still not comfortable with that, you can do a quick Google search on how to get a virtual address, and that works just as fine also. That's it, you guys. You've just filed your LLC and your EIN number. If you do have questions or comments, leave them below, or maybe you want to see a video on something else, let me know. I'd love to hear your feedback. But that's it. You're all done. So I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.